Hello everyone! In this video, we will see how teachers can share homework on the Schoolknot app. From the dashboard, when you click on Academics, you will see the Homework module. Click on the Homework module and you will go to Create Homework. In Create Homework, you will select your class. Here, you will select your class and section. Now, if I have to share homework with class 1A, I will select my class and section. Now I will be able to see all the subjects of this class. When I click on the subject name, I can start entering the homework. From here, I can write the homework for each subject. Similarly, I can click on the checkbox beside the subject name and start entering the homework. Once I have entered the homework, I can simply submit the homework for today. Once the homework is created, I will be able to view the homework under the View Homework tab. Here, I can see the homework that has been created. If I want to see which subject homeworks have been given, I can simply click on Edit. I will then be able to see the homework for each subject. This homework will now be shared with parents through the Parent app. Teachers can also share homework from their mobile app. Now we will see how teachers can share homework from the mobile app. Here, you can see the Teacher mobile app interface. In this interface, teachers will click on the Homework tile. Parents can click on the Homework tab. The homework will be visible date-wise. Here, all homework entries can be viewed according to the selected date. This homework is delivered directly to the Parent app. This way, parents can view homework and ensure that assignments are completed on time. Thank you.